Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. Okay, everybody take out your social studies books.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Shaurya Tyagi, please send me the PDF of the next chapter. Everybody,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning to all of you.
Ma'am, we are starting the next chapter.
Yes, we are starting the next chapter.
Ma'am, which is domains of Earth?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, is this a combined class?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. All of you, please open your cameras. Hurry up. And everybody get ready with your social studies copies also.
Ma'am, is this a combined class?
Yes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is 4th A and 4th C. Just a minute, I'm getting a call from school only. Hello.
First, we will do difficult words.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do today?
Now, first let me get the PDF of this new chapter. Then I'll tell you what we're supposed to do. Everybody in your social studies copies, write down the name of the chapter, today's date, and write down difficult words.
Which chapter name? Ma'am, please repeat. Motion
Write
of
down
the earth.
today's date, chapter number, chapter name, and the heading difficult words. Is that clear?
Ma'am, which chapter? Name of which chapter?
Beta, what is the name of the next chapter in your book?
Ma'am, motions of the earth.
Good morning,
ma'am. And I have sent the PDF, Shaurya.
Where have you sent it, beta? In the class group?
Ma'am, in C group.
C group. Okay.
Excuse
Now,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in my notebook there are 2 pages left, so I need to make my new notebook. But now I have to make because the new chapter is started, or when the notebook when the 2 pages are full, then I have to make it.
No. Make a new notebook now only, so that the new chapter is in continuation. Okay. Otherwise, half of the work will be here and then makes no sense.
Motion of the
Sir, can you just
Written.
no, ma'am. To write.
Children, my jaws start paining by this time because I speak continuously. Okay, what you have to write down today's date, the chapter number, chapter name, and the heading difficult words. (31.5.20).
Copy.
Yes, beta, where else do you write? Do you write somewhere else? On the walls? Where do you write? Have some pity on me. What is the chapter number? Tell me. 4?
Yes, ma'am. 3.
3? My
And it is
God,
4.
who is this? Motions of the earth. Okay, the heading is difficult words. Is that fine?
Ma'am, we will not do chapter 3.
Okay, shall we begin? Everyone has written this much? Everyone has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, write it.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done wonderful, wonderful.
Didi, आज 31st है.
Yes, Jasreena. Today it's 31st. Now, when all of you are ready, say ready.
Ready.
Ma'am, let's
Ready,
proceed.
Ma'am, ready. Ma'am, I am ready.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Tell again what we are doing.
Ma'am, we have not done the chapter 3.
Please tell again what we are.
Okay, who will tell Bhavya Rastogi what we are doing? Who will tell?
Ma'am, can
Chapter 4 difficult words.
Chapter 4 difficult words.
Chapter 4 difficult words. Chapter 4 difficult.
The first word is rotation.
I'm sorry for being late. It was network issue. So, ma'am, please
Okay,
tell
1
what we
minute.
are doing.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
What we are doing?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Beta, with screen. I have not made anything. I am dictating difficult words and I am writing side by side myself also. I will share the work in the D group.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please tell next word. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please send on chat box. You will.
No, I'm not sending in the chat box. I will speak the words and then you will write.
Ma'am, not please send second one.
Okay, ready for the second word, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please
No,
tell
ma'am.
the first one.
I can still hear a no, ma'am. First word is rotation. Second word is revolution. Oh. I will announce from next time. I'm not going to wait for the ones who joined the class late.
Ma'am, I am not joined the class late. Ma'am, I am writing.
The third word is formation.
Ma'am, what is the second word?
Second
Ma'am.
word.
Ma'am, what is the third
first
word? Ma'am, what is the second
What is the second word?
Second word is revolution.
Ma'am,
First
where
word.
difficult word? What is the third?
No, I will remove. Beta, wait. First rotation, second revolution, third formation. Formation. Clear? These three words.
Ma'am, please tell third one.
Formation. Formation of something. Then the next word is, where is my pen gone? Okay. The next word is spinning. Spinning.
Ma'am, repeat.
Who will repeat? Now when anybody,
Can I repeat spinning?
I will now daily. Now daily in my class, I am going to appoint 3 students who will reply to anyone who will say, "Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, please tell once again."
May I repeat?
Yes, Raina. Yes, Raina, repeat.
written.
May I repeat, Rasya? Ma'am, spinning.
Ma'am, may I repeat? Varshita.
Repeat.
Okay, today 3 students are 3 girls. Raina, Rasya, and Varshita. All newcomers. Okay? All new admissions are going to do this work. Now, anybody who will say, "Ma'am, please repeat," then any one of you can repeat. The 5th word is Beyblade. 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 Beyblade.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling again? Beyblade.
Beyblade. Beyblade.
Wow, such a relief. Thank you. Okay, then the next word is imaginary.
Ma'am, it is Beyblade.
Yes. Have you played with a Beyblade?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. The next word is imaginary.
Ma'am, I have written.
How many of you don't know what a Beyblade is? Anybody in the class who doesn't know?
Ma'am, I not know.
Okay, Beyblade is a beta. Have you seen a spinner?
Yes, ma'am.
Beyblade is a spinner only, a top that you say.
Ma'am, I have not heard this name.
What is
I'm saying that spinner and the other type of spinner.
The
Like a
next
broth.
word is after imaginary we have universe. Universe.
Ma'am, please tell me spelling. Seventh word is universe.
Yes.
Is universe की spelling?
Ma'am, I am writing every spelling in the chat box. Ma'am, can I repeat the spelling first?
Yes, repeat all the words from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. Rotation, revolution, formation, spinning, Beyblade, imaginary, and universe.
spelling.
The 8th word is consisting.
Ma'am, please tell 8th one.
Consisting.
Ma'am, please tell once time again.
Consisting.
Okay, ma'am.
Can anyone send the spelling in chat box?
Consisting. See, Aradhya Singh has already sent. Consisting.
नहीं लिखी spelling, पर गंदा लिखा जरूर. आगे तो कंप्लीट थी नहीं.
Next word. Oh, just wait, student.
Ma'am, what is the 9th word? Consisting.
It is consisting.
It is consisting.
The eighth word is consisting. Ninth word, ma'am has. Ma'am
Okay,
didn't
ninth
told.
word. I have not spoken the ninth word. It is the ninth word. Beta, wait, let me just see. It is.
M is fifth. M
Kilometers. Now here you can't write KMS like how you write in maths. You have to write the whole word. Kilometers.
okay, ma'am. So,
Done. Ma'am, can we repeat the words every day?
Every day? Why every day, beta?
No, ma'am. I was saying that you told me, Rasya and Rana, to repeat whatever you say. So every day we can repeat.
No, beta, only the day when I ask you, I'll tell you when you have to repeat. Don't worry. We are doing
Okay,
difficult words today. Only the day we'll do difficult words. Then you will repeat. No? Okay, the next word, the 10th word is hemisphere. Hemisphere.
it is the layer of the atmosphere, na?
Hemisphere? No, not at all. Hemisphere is not a layer of atmosphere.
There are also the layer of atmosphere.
Yes, the layers of atmosphere, they are different, beta.
Fifth chapter. But I have heard the hemisphere in the
Ma'am, may I
It's
tell the
northern
spelling of
hemisphere and southern hemisphere of the earth. Now, earth is divided into the northern and the southern hemisphere. It is not about the atmosphere.
the hemisphere? Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
my father told me this.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is Australia.
Hmm.
11th word is Australia.
Ma'am, what is the fifth and sixth?
Australia.
Raina, please tell the 5th and 6th word. Somebody is asking.
Okay, ma'am. Fifth is Beyblade and sixth is imaginary.
And imaginary.
Fifth is Beyblade,
Ma'am,
Beyblade, and
we
sixth
can,
is
ma'am, the
imaginary.
next word we can write, ma'am, the next word we can write the equator. Ma'am, your mic is mute. On mute. Ma'am, what is the fifth and sixth?
Fifth one is Beyblade and sixth one is imaginary.
Imaginary. Ma'am, can you please type it in the chat box?
Fifth spelling is Beyblade and sixth is Imaginary. Imaginary.
Come late so that he cannot see the
Raina,
chat box
beta.
written.
Bhavya, please wait. Bhavya, now wait. Listen to me. The 5th word is Beyblade. Bay. What is the spelling of bay? B-E-Y. Then blade. B-L-A-D-E. Beyblade. And the 6th word is imaginary.
Ma'am, somebody in the chat box send the fifth one as Beyblade.
It was me. I don't know the spelling.
Done?
We have to write only
Until
11.
here.
Ma'am, what is the seventh one? Ma'am,
What, beta?
is the seventh one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the seventh one?
never.
Seventh one is universe. Universe.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have only 11 words to write.
No, we have 12 words. Now, 12th word is receive.
What, ma'am?
Receive. The 12th word is receive.
Ma'am, now can I repeat all the words?
No, better wait. One more last. 13th word I have. One more word in the end. That is equator. EQUATOR. Equator.
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling again. MTOR.
Yes. EQUATOR. Equator.
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, now can I repeat all the words?
Ma'am, please.
Yes. One by one and very slowly, Varshita. Repeat all of them.
Ma'am, what is the spelling
First
of 13 one?
First one, rotation. First is rotation. Second, revolution. Second is revolution. Third, formation. Fourth, spinning. Fifth, Beyblade. Sixth, imaginary. Seventh, the universe. Eighth, consisting. Ninth, kilometers. 10th, hemisphere. 11th, Australia. 12th, received. And last, 13,
Equator.
equator.
Children, I have sent the work on the class group. Both the classes may check their class groups. All the words are over there. And
Ma'am.
next, yes.
Ma'am,
Beta, say after ma'am also. Don't give a full stop after ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of receive? Ma'am, what is the
RECEIVE. Receive.
Ma'am, what is the 14th? Ma'am, can we send the work on
There
WhatsApp
is
group?
no 14th word, beta. There is no 14th
Ma'am, we can
word.
send the work on WhatsApp group.
Yes, you can send the work on WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, there are no 12th and 13th.
I'm sending, beta. I'm sending that also. Okay, done. Now see,
Yes,
12th
ma'am.
and 13th word is also there.
Ma'am, today we read the chapter.
Yes, today we will start the reading only. I will not explain the chapter. We will just do the reading today. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will start? reading. Atharv Gupta will start reading. Be quiet. Everybody be quiet. I will call out your names. Atharv Gupta, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I expect 1 minute, ma'am? I am connecting my speaker. When chapter 4 motions of the earth. Good morning, everyone. My name is Uttam Gupta. Chapter 4 motions of the earth. When you take a spinning top or a blade and spin it, you will notice that there is a line at the center along which the top spin. Full stop. This line does not actually exit and is an imaginary line. When the top stops spinning, the line disappears. Factpedia. Earlier people believed that the earth was at the center of the universe and the sun and all over the heavenly bodies move around it. People would say the sun rise and set, but actually the sun stays in its place and it is the earth. And which page number? From west to east.
Okay, beta, that's it. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now next, who will read? Akshaj. Akshaj will read.
Yes, ma'am. Movement of the earth. Let us study the two important movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. Look at the given diagram. You will see that both movements of the earth happen at the same time. Rotation. The earth spins on its axis from the west to east in 24 hours. This movement of the earth is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes in formation of the day and night. As the earth moves from the west to east, the part of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the part that faces away from the sun has night. As the
Ma'am,
earth
may I keep
takes
reading?
24 hours to complete one rotation, we say a day has 24 hours, consisting of a day and night.
Okay, beta, that's all.
I was
Yes.
not reading from there.
Yes.
Ma'am, now can I read?
Wait, Arav Gupta will read now.
Okay, ma'am, I'm reading. Movements of the earth. Let us study the two important movements of the earth, rotation and revolution.
Beta, I think that paragraph is left to be read. Now take a globe and spin it. That paragraph has
Ma'am,
not
I
been
know
read.
that. Ma'am, I know that one. I'm at that one.
Now
The
take
first
a
page
globe
of the chapter. The first page of
And
the
the last.
chapter.
And the last paragraph.
Yes, the last paragraph.
Now, take a globe and spin it. You will see that just like a spinning top, the globe also spins along an imaginary line. You will also notice that the line is not straight like that of the top, but slightly tilted, just like the top and the globe. The earth too spins on an imaginary vertical line called the axis. The axis is not straight and is tilted at an angle.
Okay. Now the next one whosoever will read, will read the DIY activity. Yatharth Singh will read out the DIY activity.
Ma'am, from which page number you are reading?
All the doors
28.
and windows of the room
DIY activity.
of the lights. Now
Yatharth,
shine the
beta,
light.
be a little louder. I can't hear you.
Close all the doors and windows.
Ma'am,
of
from
the
where you are reading?
Beta, the DIY activity under rotation. You will need a globe and a torch to do this activity. Now everybody will try this activity at home. Yes.
Ma'am, but I don't.
shine the lights from the
Okay, if you don't
torch
have a
on the
globe, listen to me. If you don't have a globe, you can do this activity with a ball. All of you, I'm sure, have a ball at home.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a
globe.
Wow, Varshita has got such a big globe. Now see, everybody just wait. Give me 1 minute. Children, very bad. You people don't listen to the teacher at all. Give me just 1 minute. Riddhi, you want to be removed out from the meeting? Yashmit also has a very nice globe. Very good. Let me get a ball. Bhavya, I'm going to remove you now.
Ma'am, see.
Let me get a ball and a torch. I will show it to the ones who don't have a globe at their home. Okay? Give me just 1 minute. Let me go and get it. Till then, keep speaking. Keep speaking.
Ma'am, we can do it with ball. And which activity? Ma'am, we can do it with football. Ma'am. Ma'am, see my globe.
Okay. Now see. I don't have a globe. I have a ball with me. Okay? I'm sure all of you have a ball at your home. Whether it is a small ball or a big ball doesn't matter. Now what we'll do is, I already have so much light above me. Let me just switch off that light and then I'm going to show that activity. We switch off. Okay, now it is completely dark, right? Can you see all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now what I'll do is I'll take a flashlight in my hand from my phone. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, I put this flashlight over here, right? Very good, Jasreena. You're also trying. Now, when I put this light from here, what happens is only a portion of this ball gets lightened up. We come here, hold it. Hold this phone. Now see, children, can you see only this much part? Till here it is lighted. The rest of the part that is not being covered up in light is what? All dark, right? Can you see? So let's assume this flashlight as sun. This is what? This is our sun. And hold it, beta. The part which is lighted up. Now this is what? This is our earth, right? Now earth keeps moving. Exactly, right? The earth keeps moving. And then the part which is the day right now turns into night. Why? Because it depends on the rotation of the earth. Is that correct? Now,
Yes,
Yatharth, just read out the activity, beta. Just read the activity that was given.
see my globe.
Close the doors and windows of the room and switch off the light. Now shine the light from the torch on the globe. You will observe that the part of the globe that faces the light is shining bright, while the part of the globe on the other side receives no light and is in darkness. This is how we have day and night on the earth.
Yes, you will observe the part of the globe that faces the sun. Faces the light is shining bright. Now, as I told you, what is this? This is our globe. See, Varishta is showing it so clearly. Right? You can see in Varishta's camera.
Can we send this activity on the group?
Yes, you all have to send this activity on the group. Just keep holding and take your, tell your any family member to click a picture and you can send it on the class group. Is that fine?
And this we have to do now.
Yes, you can do it now or you can do it later also. Take a ball in your hand. Yes?
Can we make video?
Yes, you can make a video.
have to do now.
Beta, now see, when we read this DIY activity, it is clearly told what you have to do. It is clearly told, no? See, Varishta is showing it so well.
Ma'am, and can you see me, Yashmit?
Very nice, Yashmit. Very good. You will observe that part of the globe that faces the light is shining bright, while the part of the globe on the other side receives no light and is in darkness. This is how we have day and night on the earth, right? This is how we have. Then what happens? The earth starts rotating and the brighter side goes to the back side and it becomes evening and then night. This is how it happens. Is that clear?
Ma'am, that's how we have time difference. Ma'am, that's how we have time difference.
That is why we have
Time difference.
yes, that is why we have time difference. And how much time does it take for the earth to complete one rotation? Tell me.
24 hours.
Yes,
24
hours. 24 hours. Very nice.
24 hours.
Okay. Now coming on to the next one. You want to read more? You want to read more or shall we have a chit chat session for the remaining time?
Ma'am,
Yes.
chit chat?
Chit chat is talking. Chit chat session is just doing a little chit chat, talking generally, just sharing any experience, telling about any interesting thing or anything like that. Because as it is, I don't know if you have.
Can I tell you about the 1 minute
Ma'am, I
story?
have an interesting thing.
It is the experience of ghost. Can I tell Bhavya?
Experience of ghost? No, don't tell that. Because ghosts
Ma'am, I have an
exist.
experience
Ma'am, I have
with
not
old
experience.
people.
But
I read a book.
Ghost experience.
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am,
telling about
Ma'am, old people believe that.
Ghost experience. Ma'am, I will send the picture on the
Ma'am,
clock.
I have
I can tell ghost
experience.
Ma'am, I sent
Fourth
the
C,
picture.
fourth A, fourth B. Where?
Ma'am,
excuse me.
Which class group? Wait, let me see the photo. Wow, Jasreena, amazing, very nice. Palvini Ahuja, very nice. Yes, children, no. All of you now send your pictures right now. No chit chat session. In the last 1 minute, you have to send this picture. Hurry up, Yashmit, Varshita, Sanvi, Raina, all those who have a globe. And rest of you can send it with a ball. Hurry up and send. Very nice. Now whose picture do I get?
ma'am, I can't do this activity
Ma'am, I can send.
my father, mother.
Okay, Yashmit, beta, you can send it later. When they return in the evening, you can send it then. No worries.
And ma'am, I only have one mobile.
All right. Now, Jasrina, you are holding the ball and I can see that one side of the ball is lighted and so is your cheek. One
Yes,
cheek
yes.
is lighted and the other cheek is in dark.